Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to view the apps you're currently an admin of in Facebook. Being an admin of an app gives you control and management capabilities. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the steps to access this information. Let's dive in. Step 1. If you haven't already, download the Facebook app from the Play Store. Simply head to the store and type Facebook into the search bar. Step 2. Look for the Facebook app, which is represented by a white F on a white background. Tap on it, then select Install to download and install the app on your device. Step 3. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account using your credentials. Step 4. Tap on the 3 stacked lines located in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the menu. Step 5. Next, tap on the gear icon positioned in the top right corner, right next to the magnifying glass icon. Step 6. Scroll down and find the Your Information section. Tap on Access Your Information to proceed. Step 7. Continuing to scroll down, you'll come across the Apps and Websites Off of Facebook option. Tap on it. Step 8. Within the Apps and Websites Off of Facebook section, tap on Your Apps. This will take you to the Meta Center, specifically the Meta for Developers page. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to view the apps you're currently an admin of in Facebook. This allows you to manage and control your app-related activities. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and enjoy your experience as an admin of apps on Facebook.